Hello and welcome to SAP Build Process Automation Product Updates. My name is John, and today we'd like to share with you what's new with SAP Build Process Automation, a year in review. Today I'm joined by Jessie. Hey Jessie.
Thanks, John. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. Now, 2022 was a year full of new product updates and enhancements for SAP Build Process Automation. And today we're super excited to share with you the top 5 product updates we introduced last year so you can get to learn how they work and their benefits in action.
Before we dive into the top 5 updates of the year, you may have noticed something a bit different with their name. With the recent announcement of SAP Build at TechEd 2022, we're proud to share that SAP Build Process Automation is now part of SAP Build. SAP Build Solutions enables users to create enterprise applications, process automation, and business sites with drag-and-drop simplicity. SAP AppGyver is now SAP Build Apps, SAP Process Automation is now SAP Build Process Automation, and SAP WorkZone and SAP Launchpad Service is now known as SAP Build WorkZone.
Now let's switch gears and talk about the top 5 product updates. First, we have actions, API triggers, extended conditions and parallel branches, Google Workspace integration, and finally, Microsoft 365 integration. Let's go.
Thanks, Jessie. First off, we have actions. Actions are simplified APIs that IT admins can pre-configure. This feature allows you to integrate your processes quickly with external systems or SAP applications like SAP S/4HANA, SAP Ariba, SAP SuccessFactors, and more. Using the central lobby, you can design processes that involve creating, updating, or retrieving data from the backend system based on outcomes of the process. Thanks to Actions, there's no need to understand the complexity underneath. Business users can simply browse integration they need in the build library. Actions are crucial in making SAP Build Process Automation a suitable tool for business experts while allowing IT to control system access to ensure IT security.
Next up, we have API triggers. API triggers allow you to automatically trigger the execution of a process when a specific event occurs in an external system. To use it, you would first need to set up a connection to the external system where the triggering event will take place. In this case, SAP Build Apps. For instance, you want to automate your daily task of invoice processing. It starts with the requester scanning and uploading the invoice with an app built with SAP Build Apps. This triggers an SAP Build Process Automation workflow where all the relevant data is extracted from the uploaded invoice. Finally, based on that data, the responsible approver is determined and notified to give their approval.
Next up, we have extended conditions and parallel branches. The conditions editor allows you to specify conditions under which specific actions should be taken within a process. For example, you might want to use it to determine if a particular field in a form is filled out or if a specific task should be assigned to a particular individual. Our recent updates allow for different workflows based on predefined rules. Let's take purchasing order as an example. Purchase orders under $10,000 from Germany or India is considered fulfilled, but orders over $10,000 or not from those countries require manual approval. Furthermore, adding parallel branches to your process flow can help execute different tasks at the same time. This is useful for approvals from multiple organizations or ensuring stakeholders recognize information before moving forward.
Moving on to Google Workspace integrations. Thanks to the recent integrations to Google Workspace applications, you and your teams can now easily extract data, organize information, and automate your steps using SAP Build Process Automation bot within applications such as Google Sheets, Google Drive, Gmail, and so on. For example, within seconds, the bot extracts the sales order information contained in your Gmail attachments, downloads them into Google Drive, extracts the relevant information from fields, and finally uploads the information directly into your SAP S/4HANA system, saving you and your teams hours of manual and repetitive work.
And finally, we have Microsoft 365 integration. SAP Build Process Automation now has integration with Microsoft 365. Suppose you're a user of Microsoft 365, and in that case, you can use SAP Build Process Automation to automate certain tasks, such as searching for a specific Excel file on your Microsoft SharePoint or OneDrive, and extracting business data from that file. This tool can also send an email with that Excel file as an attachment to another user to quickly process orders for your company. This integration can help you save time and streamline specific workflows that run on Microsoft 365 applications.
And with that, we have our top 5 product updates of the year for SAP Build Process Automation. Thank you so much for joining us today. And if you'd like to try our product for free, you can do so on the SAP Business Technology Platform free tier services.
Learn more at sap.com/buildautomation. Thanks again and see you next time.